The next one is journal entries in the general journal book. So overheads which do not result in current cash outflows need some adjustment such as interest on capital, accrued expenses, prepaid expenses, etc. can be collected from the journal entries passed in the general journal book. General journal book. So other than petty cash book, other than petty amount, there are current cash flows. There are some adjustments which is required, like interest on capital, the amount which is paid to the capital interest. Then accrued expenses, expense which is incurred but it is not yet paid. Prepaid expenses, those expenses which is paid in advance are which require some adjustments, and these are recorded in the general journal book, and these overheads you can collect it from the general journal book. That point is very important here. Now the next one is special registers and reports. So special registers and reports. In special registers and reports, you will record those expenses which are like depreciation, scrap, postages, etc. So these expenses which are collected from special registers and reports, like the information regarding the depreciation on plant and building, then machines, depreciation which is charged to the machines, then information regarding to scrap, waste, spoilage are collected from the special reports, where these scraps, wastages, spoilages and depreciations which are maintained. So all these information these are also an indirect expenses. So these are also considered as indirect expense. So these indirect expenses like depreciation, scrap we have seen. Postages will be charged to the office and administration overhead. Scrap will come to the factory, after factory. Then depreciation either in the office, if it is an office building, if it is a factory or a machines, it will charge it to the factory overhead. In case a depreciation is charged on the furniture, we will charge it to the office and administration overhead. So these are the items which are recorded in the special register. So all these items, the information related to these, we can collect it from the special register maintained for the specific purpose. Now the last one is expenses voucher. So here details relating to petty items of overhead, indirect expenses and services rendered by outside parties are obtained from the expenses voucher. So details relating to petty items and overheads, indirect expenses for the service rendered by the outside parties, so third parties. The service rendered by the third parties are obtained from expenses voucher. So ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಏನು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್, ಅವರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ದಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ವೋಚರ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ we will collect the overheads, and we will once we will collect the overheads, we will apportion these overheads to the various departments. So that is called as overheads. Thank you. If you have any doubt, clarify the doubts. Thank you.